Hi, my name's Ethan Taylor, and here's just a few things that I've been up to over the last year. Beautiful, though. Meters to go until the beach. Almost there. Before I went on my trip around the world, I spent the last 2 years teaching at an international school in Goyang-si in Korea, which was an incredibly enriching experience. I'd never taught before. I knew it was something I always wanted to do, but finally I had a chance to really explore it. As long as I've always been challenged at a school, and I could always improve myself, and frankly, as long as I could laugh every day, I knew that it was the right school for me. If you can imagine I put as much motivation and effort into making my videos as I do teaching, then I hope you'll consider me for a future career at your school.